In today's video, I will walk you through how to use text-to-speech in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open CapCut on your computer and access the project where you want to add the text-to-speech effect. Once you are inside the editor, move to the top left section of the screen and click on Text to open the available text tools and styles. From the text options, choose a text style to place onto your timeline. For this tutorial, select Default Text and drag it into your project timeline. After the text clip appears, click on it so the editing controls open on the right side of the screen. Make sure the Text tab is selected and remain under the Basic section, where you can edit the content of the text. Inside the text box, type the sentence or phrase that you want CapCut to convert into speech. You can enter any text you want the generated voice to read aloud in your project. Once your text is entered, you can also adjust how the text appears on screen if you plan to keep it visible in the video. From the Text Settings panel, you can change the font style, increase or decrease the size, modify the text case, and choose a different color for the text layer. After your text is ready, move to the top right section of the interface and click on Text-to-Speech. CapCut will then display a list of available voice options that can be used for the generated audio. Some voice styles may require the Pro version, while others are available without it. Click through the different voices to preview how each one sounds, and continue testing options until you find the voice that fits your project. Once you have selected the voice you want to use, click on Generate Speech in the bottom right corner. CapCut will begin processing the text and generating the speech audio track based on the selected voice. Wait a few moments while the generation process finishes and the audio is added to your timeline. After the process is complete, you will see a new audio track appear beneath your project clips. The generated speech will now play together with your video during playback. If you want the text to remain visible in the project, you can leave the text layer in place. If you only want the generated voice audio, click on the text clip, right-click on it, and select Delete. The text layer will be removed, while the audio track stays in your timeline. And that is how you use text-to-speech in CapCut PC.